I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal and waiting 1 minute so modules reset. This prevents shorts and airbag faults. Once done, remove visors and use a soft plastic trim tool to pry the console bezel at the edge. Work gently to avoid cracking clips. Keep a flashlight handy and remove the visible T10 screws. You're preparing for the first internal inspection, so label screws and set the bezel aside on a clean surface. You'll now pull the console PCB and inspect connectors and harness for corrosion or bent pins, because most failures are mechanical or poor contact. Next, probe switches and lamp circuits with a multimeter at 12V to check continuity and voltage under load. That tells you whether the problem is the bulb, switch, or wiring. If you find a cold solder joint, reflow it carefully. If a switch or LED board is cracked, replace that specific component. Reinstall the PCB and bezel, making sure harnesses seat fully and screws are snug to avoid warp trim. Over-tightening can crack plastic. Once you reconnect the battery, test every function: map lights, dome, switch illumination, and sunroof courtesy lights, because verifying all functions prevents returns. If something still fails, scan for body control module codes and inspect the nearest chassis ground. A bad ground often mimics failed console components and is a quick fix if.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.